Good evening, traders. Good evening and welcome. I'm not boss Kumar. I'm just a normal guy like you. How are you? Good evening, sir. Rajendran, sir. Welcome. Yes, Kumar. I'm doing good. Thank you. So, how was your trading day, Kumar? And how was your trading day, Rajendran, sir? Anything you traded today? Bajaj Finance. I think you were holding Bajaj Finance. It has gone very nice. Hello. Good evening, Gajendran. Yes, that was a good pick, I guess. 15,700 PE, Kumar. That was risky but good. Yes, sir. Both Reliance and Bajaj Finance are doing good right now. Lupin will come back, sir, again. Pharma, let's see, Pharma. Okay. Pharma overall sector is good. On the monthly chart also it is good. So Lupin will come. Okay. Nagesh Reddy will come. Okay. Okay, Kumar. Yes. ITC was kind of choppy. Not showing any great movements on ITC. Yeah, this is a monthly chart. Yes. ITC not moving, very choppy. So 198 is very deep stop loss, Kumar. I would suggest maybe a stop loss at 202 or even 203 should be a good stop loss. Yes, sir. It's all around almost same. Very choppy. Nothing much here. Bajaj Finance is doing good currently. doing a very good trend. Yeah, Bank Nifty I'll analyze, Nagesh Reddy. Just hold on. I'm waiting for a few more subscribers to join in. So once they join, we'll begin. Okay. Yes, Raj. I'm going to open. I'll just analyze. Let me first analyze Nifty Bank Nifty, and then we'll see. So maybe many people are not aware about today's evening session, or I don't know what is the case. Because the live session I closed a little bit early today at 1:30 p.m. only. And I said again, let's meet tomorrow. Maybe they got confused, or I don't know. Hello Arif, hello Mohan Kumar, welcome. So Arif, did you take trades today? Nifty Bank Nifty? Message, telegram message came. I have sent. Adani Port may go up tomorrow also. You can hold Gajendran. All Adani stocks fell today just because of one tweet, and they have most of the stocks hit the lower circuit, and then they have recovered. Yes, Bank Nifty C looks good, Arif. Okay, so I think let's start with the session for the day. Let me begin with the Nifty chart first. Good evening, Divya, welcome. Okay, so before the start, today I think there was a tweet from Sucheta Dalal. She was the one who pulled off all the details, the last 1992 scam, Harshad Mehta scam. So today she has tweeted that again one more company, mainly the Adani group of companies, something wrong is going on. It is getting manipulated very badly. So because of the tweet, all the Adani stocks opened with a lower circuit. And because of that huge pressure on Nifty and Bank Nifty, as soon as the market opens, so big drop today. That's what we saw. So here, in spite of a decent gap up, the market fell very badly, and it could find support here. And then finally, again, buyers came back. They thought, okay, now it's a good proposition to buy, and they have pushed the price up. Now the pattern, what it is looking is like a pin bar setup. So this is looking very strong right now, this setup, and most probably it will touch the next target here, the monthly resistance. Okay, now let us mark a few important levels that we can continue for next few days. So I'm going to put maybe 3 strong supports and one resistance. The strong supports are 15,700 is one strong support, 15,600, and then 15,470. For Nifty, these 3 will be the strong supports, and the first important resistance will be now 15,900. So once this is done, yes sir, hanging man, then next we can look into the 16,000 levels, psychological level 16,000. Okay, so we'll keep our interest right now at 15,900 and then 16,000 levels. Okay, it is looking good. It can further continue. Let us try to watch the weekly chart and observe any important clue here. Okay, so as the day opened today, it got a very weak opening. After that, a big sell-off, and then it came very close to the last week's value area and the last week's support. So this is the swing low last week, the same level. From there it found support and it has crossed the weekly support also. It remained sideways for some time and then it opened up, and again it has gone. So it is coming close to the weekly resistance level also. So we can watch this level. The pattern is looking good on the weekly level also for Nifty. Similarly for Bank Nifty, I think Bank Nifty, we still have the old levels that we had marked, and these levels are also working good right now for us. So this was one major support I had marked. If it cracks that, then the next lower support was 34,500. So today both levels were cracked and it came down. So it tested 34,500. So from here again it got support. So finally this is the pattern what it has made. So this they call what, dragonfly doji. This is a dragonfly doji pattern. Okay, so it means to show that there are absolutely complete buying sentiment that has come into this. So next, now target what it can reach tomorrow, maybe a good gap up, and also it can try to cross 35,200 and then again 35,475 or 35,500. These are the upper targets what we can look. And in case tomorrow again the market tries to sell off, this will act as a strong support, 34,500. So we are seeing maybe 1000 point range between 34,500 to 35,500. So this 1000 point range can be tested in next 1 or 2 days. Okay, it can go up, and if there is any correction it can come down also. So let us check on the weekly chart any important clue for us. Okay, so on the weekly chart, after the initial sell-off, the prices came down. It broke the weekly breakout level, this red thin line, and then it came almost close to last week's target line. So it respected, took the last week's extended first target, and then from here it started rising again, and it broke the weekly support, finally came back for a retest, took support, and then it is trying to move up. So we have the weekly value area very close by now at 35,100, and the weekly resistance is at 35,300. Okay, so if we switch on our levels, so just exactly near value area we have one level marked 35,065, and maybe this level we can just try to shift 35,200. Okay, the pattern looks bullish. It can try to move up, and let us see the sectors today, which sectors have done well. PSU Bank, after the initial fall, good rise in the PSU Bank and a good pattern. Energy sector also, overall it was looking very good. Maybe I have to put daily mode. Energy sector also is looking good, bullish. Then IT saw some weakness today, but then again it has taken support. Good evening, Arvind, welcome. FMCG is looking weak, so FMCG has fallen down, and then it has found support and then again trying to rise. So reality looked weak, and then metal also looked a little bit weak today. Reality, metal, and media. Other than that, we have PSU Bank, energy, and IT. They are all looking good. Okay, now we'll see a few stocks of interest for us for tomorrow and for next few days. So Lux Industries, on Saturday also I gave this stock, so you can continue to trade in Lux Industries. Again, a very good pattern. Then Rajesh Exports, I guess today because of the earnings announcement, is doing good. We can look for 632 target next. Then next we have Sumichem. We caught this stock somewhere here on the first breakout. So those of you who attended my session, So you will know that this is the stop run day, first stop run day, and now the prices are trading here at this level where the absorption day low was made. The same low is getting respected. So now this is the second stop run day. So now again we can expect 1 or 2 or few more days of the absorption days, then again it will try to go up. Okay, so this is the absorption day and stop run day sequence. Nidani also we can see the example of a stop run day. Lag, there is no lag from my end. So anybody facing any lag issue? I'm not seeing any lag, Raj. Okay. So example of stop run day for those of you who attended the training session. So this is the first example, stop run day, and then next, this is the example here. This candle and this candle, you see how well they are getting respected. Now again one more stop run day for, so you can trade this up to this level. Okay, Midani. These 4 stocks were for buying. For selling, we have this Gulf oil lubricant, so looking very weak right now. So you can consider for intraday selling. And then Concur, in the last 4 to 5 days, it is coming down steep. Maybe it can come to this this level here. Try to close this gap. Okay. Next, SBI card. SBI card also is looking weak. So this is the example of a stop run day and the mid of that getting respected. Here it was getting rejected, then again it came, it broke this mid and it has gone up. Now again it is coming down. So this mid now will act as a support. You just have to watch out. If this mid is again getting breached, then it will come to the base of this candle, either here or here. Okay. So all interesting patterns for us to study. Okay. So now my analysis part is done. And now the session is open for Q&A. You can ask your questions. So if you have any queries, questions, you can ask. Zensor, okay. Zensor is not looking good. Pattern wise, it's not looking good. Maybe in case you are interested to buy this stock, you look to buy above. So maybe above 295. Once it crosses 295, you can be showing interest in this stock. Okay. ONGC. ONGC, I think we had marked one important level here, sir. I had told in my previous analysis that it might come to this level and find support. So today it has come back to 121 level. It has touched and found support. Now it can go. Next target is 130. I have marked here target 130. Okay. Tata Consumer and Wipro for intraday. Divya, for intraday, you will have to check tomorrow. Once the session, market session is open, based on the opening levels, I can give you the intraday targets. But right now it is looking good. So if you want to trade, maybe you can expect target of 722 for Tata Consumer. And Wipro, let me check. Yeah, Wipro is looking good. So Next possible target is 576 for Wipro. Reliance BRHH. What is this Reliance? Is it a stock or any spelling mistake there? Just want Reliance or what? Okay, I'll give you Reliance. Okay, Reliance is looking good. Reliance next possible target is 2277 and then 2317. You can wait for these targets. Okay, HCL take fresh buy for swing. HCL okay is looking good. You can look for fresh buy. Okay, Raj, BHEL and Adani Power. BHEL has found support today, the monthly level here. It has found support and now coming up. So if it is positional, weekly or monthly, you can hold BHEL, Raj. After BHEL, which was the next one? Adani Power, yeah. Adani stocks may come up again. You can hold Adani Power too. So today there was no trading in Adani Power. It was a lower circuit and then closed. I don't know. Tomorrow it can go down or it can rise up. I don't know. Okay, bro. Abhishek. Okay, welcome Divya. The next. Saskin for positional. Saskin is very flat. The PIMA curve is also flat. So maybe no interest for buyers and sellers. Both are not interested. You can avoid this. Adani Ports. Yeah, Adani Port also. It may recover. Yeah, it is showing good signs of recovery today after touching the low. You can be invested in this for a little bit long term now. Okay. Next target for BHCL. Okay. BHCL. BHEL 73 and 80. These are the quick targets. Tata Steel and Dr. Reddy. Sir, Tata Steel is looking good. Can further move up. Yes, Tata Steel targets have given here 1186, 1220. And Dr. Reddy all. Yes, Dr. Reddy also looking good. Next target is 5584, Dr. Reddy. I welcome Sunil. Rahul, can you buy on dips on Tata Consumer tomorrow for intraday? Yeah, Tata Consumer was looking good pattern. Today a lot of buyers have come into this stock. Tomorrow you can buy. Yes. So a lot of buyers have come again back into this stock. For intraday also you can buy and even for positional. अभिषेक एक स्टॉक का एक क्वेश्चन पूरा एक ही कमेंट में डाल दो. मैं तीन बार खोल रहा हूँ इसको. कहाँ पे 74 पे लिया है क्या? 74 ठीक है. अगर एवरेज करना है तो 72 के ऊपर एवरेज करो. जब 72 क्रॉस करेगा तो उसके ऊपर एवरेज करो. Yes, next query. Type in quickly. From this group, how many of you trade in during the daytime and how many of you watch my channel during the day session? Or rather I should ask, how many of you are unable to view or unable to watch on the daytime? Okay bro. अभिषेक कुमार ठीक है ब्रो. आप किधर से हो अभिषेक? UP. SW Solar. Arvind, SW Solar is looking flat right now, Arvind. Fresh entry I would avoid. Maybe once it breaks the monthly resistance, then I'll try to take entry, Arvind. Fresh entry I will avoid right now. It's very much consolidated. Coal India, SAIL and SMS Pharma. Coal India is looking good. Can take fresh entry or continue with your position. What else? Allahabad, okay. Coal India. SAIL also is looking good. SAIL in fact is on a buy trigger right now. SAIL is looking good. Then next SMS Pharma. Yes, SMS Pharma also is looking good. All three stocks are good. Raj, Allahabad, Abhishek, okay, good. Not able to watch. Okay, sir, no. Namaskara, Jatin. Welcome, Arvind. Thank you. Sunil, views on SP Apparel Limited. SP. What is SP Apparels? SP Apparel. What is the script name? Okay. SP Apparel. Is it a NSE stock or a BSE? Not appearing. Must be BSE stock. Yeah, it's a BSE stock. Don't trade on BSE. You will have very less liquidity. And see, that's what I am telling you. Low volume and low liquidity. So don't trade on any BSE stocks. Absolutely very, very less liquidity. You cannot get a good price if you want to buy or sell. So I don't recommend this. Any BSE stock I don't recommend. SPAL on NSE, okay. Okay. Same, even in NSE also very, very low volume. Maybe you can stay out of this for intraday. For position, if you want to take, let me check views on SP for positional. Okay. Positional, it is. So this stock has taken a lot of beating earlier. And now trying to come up. Okay, I guess the movements will be very small. You will need more time for extracting any good performance from these type of stocks. Okay, so very slow and lethargic movements you will get. If you are interested, you can take. PNB next target. PNB next target is 45.60. Abhishek. So this target achieved. Next it can touch 45.60. Once it touches that, okay, maybe 45 looks good. Once it touches, next target can be 47.60. So how many of you traded in Nifty and Bank Nifty today? How many of you could capture the fall? Okay, good. Yes, Raj, that is a good strategy. That's good, Divya. Adani Port you shorted, but I think later it recovered. Yes, after the fall, it recovered back very good. अच्छा अभिषेक, आज धुआंधार प्रॉफिट किया होगा. बहुत अच्छा दिन था. सुबह मॉर्निंग व्हेन stocks were falling, any stock you could pick and just short. It was all giving profit today in the first half. Particularly first half an hour, I guess. Okay. Okay, any other queries? Quickly you can ask. Otherwise, we'll wrap up for today. Then we'll meet again tomorrow, live session morning between 9 to 9:15. So those of you who have attended my training today, so after the market, just go through all the stocks. You can find some interesting patterns, and also you can get ready for tomorrow's session based on that study. Okay. Yes, it is a good recovery. I was somewhere Titan stock, I guess. Not Titan. Yeah, Titan, I guess. Titan. Yeah, Titan is here. Not Titan. Which was the stock? I think Kotak India, I guess. Yeah, Kotak Bank. Yeah. Yeah, Kotak Bank. I was just about to get trapped. This quick rise here. In this particular candle, I was considering to take a small scalping here. But then I waited for the price to again retrace and then come back. So, but that retracement went for a very big quick surprise rally. So if you don't put your stop losses, this is what happens. If you take a trade somewhere here and are looking for this target blue line, and if you just don't put stop loss, it will slaughter you. If the quantity is big, it is going to slaughter you. Okay. Yes, Raj, let's meet tomorrow. Hero Moto at 3000, hold or sell. Hero Moto is looking weak today. You can maybe hold. It needs some time to gather itself. So it has seen some rejection here and coming down, but this month's resistance and support range is very squeezed, so it can further expand. Maybe you need to wait for 2 weeks to 3 weeks, I guess. Gajendran, Chavi, welcome. Yogesh, good evening. How are you? You joined late today, Yogesh. Okay then, guys, let's meet tomorrow. Thank you all for joining. Let's meet tomorrow. Today Darshan didn't come today, I guess. He's busy. Good night, everybody. Take care. Bye. See you tomorrow. No problem, Yokesh. We'll catch up on live session tomorrow. Okay. Thank you all. Bye. Good night. Okay. Bye, Divya. Bye, Chavi. Good night, everybody. Bye.